If you don't already know, Pinterest is a visual search engine, and in order to get high impressions and get engagement on this platform, you have to have good SEO. Good SEO meaning that you are doing research, keyword research on your niche and seeing what your target audience is searching up to discover your type of content or inspiration just like it. So as you can see, I have a pretty good idea pin title. It says grow your eyelashes and brows fast, skincare routine, skincare products, beauty products to use. These are all terms and phrases that my exact target audience is searching in that also have a text overlay on my video. I'm also adding in more keywords, feeding the Pinterest algorithm more keywords, letting them know where to place me in the algorithm. So if your impressions and views are low on Pinterest, maybe redo your keyword research strategy and figure out what your target audience is searching up to discover. Or if you are starting on Pinterest, you need to show up consistently and post every single day. I would post at least 3 times a day, especially if you're first starting out and you are just repurposing all of your old content from your other social media platforms. Post 3 times a day because you can also schedule those pins so you don't have to manually do them if you don't have any time. And also remember, every idea pin that you post to Pinterest, the shelf life is infinite compared to Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platform's content. It does not last as long compared to a Pinterest pin. I posted this video July 4th, 2022, and this is a screenshot from August 4th, 2022. Let me show you an updated screenshot from December 23rd, 2022. Okay, so here is an updated screenshot from July 4th to today, which is December 23rd, and look at the analytics. Like, I am still getting more impressions, clicks, and views to this one idea pin. This is exactly why if you have any type of online business, you sell any type of physical or digital products online, or you're an influencer, content creator, or freelancer, you definitely need to get on Pinterest and start creating that brand awareness on the platform and leading other people to your websites.